This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Logan Speaker. Well-maintained 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home in Virginia Beach's highly sought-after neighborhood of Courthouse Estates. First floor features new LVT flooring, large living space, a formal dining room, and eat-in kitchen. Laundry room with lots of storage space and a new water heater. 2-car garage with lots of space and extra parking in double-pad driveway. Primary bedroom has a walk-in closet, tall ceilings, and a large soaker tub with a separate shower. 4th bedroom is a large finished room over the garage with a closet. Great flex space for office, guest bedroom, or playroom. Enjoy this perfect location and amazing neighborhood. For more information, review the details.